We're now some 6.5 miles from Bere Alston and on our way to Latchley. Before Latchley station was built, the site was known as Cox's Park Depot and served a mineral point for the nearby quarry. Named after the village some 1.5 miles to the north, this was another of those basic stations. The shelter here could protect crowds of passengers from the elements. At least 3 at a time could squeeze into the luxury of a tinned-roofed Holt-styled Hilton. Try saying that with your teeth out. In the 1940s, some 10 passengers a day would use this Holt. If all at once, they would have to take turns to use the shelter. A distinctive character of this little country station was the ungated crossing. Lookout engine drivers and road users alike. Freight ceased to be handled here in 1949, and everything closed on the 7th of November 1966 with the other stations between Callington and Gunny's Lake. If you blink, you'll miss it. Sevenstones Holt opened in 1910, and it was here that Sunday school parties laden with picnic hampers would arrive to enjoy James Venning's facilities at the Phoenix Pleasure Grounds. Between June and September of 1914, 5 trains a day would stop here, 6 on Sundays. Some notices suggested that as many as 700 in a day would have visited from Plymouth, with trains hauling additional coaches. It's a strange spot today, bare and open to the 4 winds. A platform that was never used after 1917. Luckett was originally known as Monk's Corner Depot before the LSWR constructed a station here in 1908. It changed names again to Stoke Climsland in 1909 and subsequently to Luckett. It had a passing loop, a few short sidings and a loading dock. And the station building was constructed of wood with corrugated iron, although less conspicuous than in the previous stations. By the way, if you wanted to reach Luckett on the internal phone system, you would have dialed 2-1. That tended to indicate the nature of the station, usually busy and important. It was just to the northeast of Kithill, and high above the village of the same name some 2 miles away. On a short goods loop was the track of an inclined tramway, which ran off from the route to serve Kithill Quarry. It's that man from Chilsworthy. Good morning, sir. Nice day again.